Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of my wooden monitor stand. It literally just comes with 6 screws and the screwdriver that you need for the install. The holes on each of the panels are ready to go. You just have to make the holes onto the actual big part of the wood. Alright guys, so now that it's fully complete, I wanted to show you my wooden desk stand. Pretty sturdy wood, very nice finish on it. This is what the bottom looks like right here. And this is just some examples. Like I said, you put your monitor on it however you like, and then you still have this part right here. So I could even put my laptop right down here. You can store other items down here. So very convenient to have. You could even put your keyboard, maybe mouse down here. So different uses for it. I'll put even my laptop on here just to give it just like a little boost. So if you're looking for a nice wooden desk stand, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.